Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you the easiest way to reinstall Windows 11 without losing any data or apps. This is quite effective if you are experiencing various issues with your Windows 11 laptop or PC. To do this, open the Settings app. Now, click on this System tab on your left. Here, scroll down to find this Recovery option. Then, click on it. In this menu, you should see this option that says Fix Problems using Windows Update. Simply click the Reinstall Now button next to it. As you can see, this process will attempt to reinstall Windows but keep your apps, documents and other files intact. Make sure your laptop is connected to the charger and hit OK to continue. This might take 15 to 20 minutes. After that, your Windows 11 laptop or PC should run smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.